Today's video is about a common but confusing issue in the Lenovo IdeaPad Z500, where the laptop powers on normally, the fan starts spinning, and the indicator lights turn on. But there is no display on the screen. At first glance, this problem can look like a faulty screen or a motherboard issue. So before jumping to any conclusion, it is very important to properly confirm the fault. In the beginning, I show the laptop clearly to demonstrate that it is turning on without any problem, yet the screen remains completely black. I also make sure the brightness and basic external checks are done, which helps confirm that the issue is truly related to the display output. After confirming the problem, I move toward the solution. To start the troubleshooting process, I carefully open the back cover of the laptop, making sure everything is done safely. Once the back cover is removed, I focus on the RAM module because faulty or improperly seated RAM can also cause no display issues. I remove the installed RAM module from its slot and set it aside. Before replacing it, I also explain that in many cases, simply cleaning the RAM contacts and reseating it properly can solve the issue. I did try cleaning the RAM carefully and tested it again, but unfortunately, the problem did not resolve. To be sure, I then install an alternative, known working RAM module into the laptop and power it on. As soon as the replacement RAM is installed, the laptop boots up normally and the display appears on the screen without any issue. This confirms that the original RAM module was faulty and was the main reason behind the no display problem. This is a good reminder that not every display issue is related to the LCD panel or graphics chip. Sometimes, a simple component like RAM can be the root cause. In this case, the permanent solution was to replace the faulty RAM module with a new one. After installing the new RAM, the laptop works perfectly and the display issue is completely resolved. So if you are facing a similar problem where your Lenovo Z500 or any other laptop powers on but shows no display, always check the RAM first before replacing expensive parts. I hope this practical and easy solution helps you save both time and money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more laptop repair solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.